in that little corner over there, there is this. It has that beautiful design and then beautiful color. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at what I have in here. I just received this one actually last week. I've been looking at this in Target. This is my first time using this, and when I saw this one in Target with my friends, actually we went over there, we walk around and see what they have in new. In Target right now, they reorganize where all the makeup is, so we spend about, I don't know, 1 hour looking around what makeup they have. In that little corner over there, there is this. It has that beautiful display, but it's kind of a little pricey for kind of like a drugstore makeup. I think that's my own opinion, but it has that beautiful design and then beautiful color. I haven't opened this one yet, guys. We're opening this together. Oh my god, look! That's so pretty. Whoever owned this line, they love flowers because the back says flowers. Look at this small capsule. This is a really tiny one. Don't look at my nail because I haven't done my nail yet. So what this is, super cute.
Wow.
See? It's a really small one. Let's see the other one. Look at this.
Wow.
That is so gorgeous. Adorable is the right way to say. Wow. It's the back. Let's go check inside. Oh, look at this. It's so pretty. Let's check this one first, guys. Oh, I just can't have enough to look at this one. It's just adorable. I don't know. I think, you know, lots of I'm not a teenager, but I still enjoy this type of design. It's just very cute. I wanted to get this closer to you guys because it's super small. It's the smallest capsule I ever seen. This is the smallest one, guys. I found the other capsule, guys, and I wanted to compare this so you guys can see how small is this capsule. That's how small is the other capsule, guys. It's so tiny. It's so cute. So let's try this color, see if it's worth it. The color of this is PP. I like the feelings of this one, guys, is because it's actually very creamy and it's really nice. It's kind of like it's more like a brightness. It's really beautiful how it's sitting on my lips right now. That's really nice. So let's try for the next one. So the next color, guys, is called Meow. This one is a little bit brownish stuff. It's really pretty color as well too. I really love how it's so easy to glide out for your lips, and this color is beautiful, guys. This is a really good formula, I believe, because another things about this, I don't know if a lot of you guys have tried the Winky brand. This is vegan, so it's actually really good. It's because, you know, for some reason they have that really creamy feeling on this lipstick, and I love the color. That this color looks really good on me. So let's try for the next one. It's so easy to remove it. It's creamy and matte at the same time. I don't know if I explain it really well for you guys, but I think you guys should try this one, is because it's actually really nice. So my next one is the Call City. It's darker color, but it has that beautiful color. It's not just a dark color, it's more like a mix of red and purple. It's not bad actually, how the way the dark of this one is beautiful. So I really like it. So let's try for, we have two more. Next one is the purple one. It's called Royal. One of my friends love purple. Every time I see a purple color, it's actually, I always remember her. If she see this video and she see this tiny lipstick, oh my gosh, she'll be like, that's mine. But let's try, guys. Look at the way the purple turned out to be. It's really nice. I like the way the purple of this set because I have so many purple. They're not dark purple, but it has that beautiful color purple. And let's try the red one. This is the last mini capsule we're trying, and it's red one. It's called Heart. Try this. It's a really nice spread. I'm so happy with this brand. It's actually give me very light on your lips. So now we're going to try the cutie box. I was in hurry doing the capsule because I wanted to try this. This is the cutie box. This is so cute that I was keep looking at this when I was doing the small capsule. So let's try that one. So the first one we're trying, oh, what is that? Smell like a matcha. Guess on clear. I like that. You said guess on clear. And look at this. Wow. Look at that. It's green. Let's try this one. It smells matcha. If I can eat this, I will eat it. It feels really good, guys. I really like this one. Let's try this. This has the flower in it. Ooh, look at that. It's summer in Alaska now, and I have a lipstick that has flower. I'm so happy that I purchased this one and try it because it's really good. It's lightweight, it's nice sticky, it smells so good, and it's very moisturizing to your lips. So now let's try this one. This is a demi matte lipstick. This is meow color. This is a nice beautiful summer lipstick. I love the color. It's so summer look and it's so natural, very lightweight. It doesn't have a lot of scent on this one, but it's okay. It's because the other two lipsticks has a different unique scent. It's not fruity, it's just a very unique smell, and this one doesn't have a smell. This one is actually, guys, very creamy, and I love the color. So this one will be perfect for me for summer to wear all the time. And the other two is actually gonna be really good as well too. It's because it gave me a very moisture lipstick. So this and the capsule, it's a really good buy if you guys haven't tried it yet. So try it, it's really worth it. This is actually really good for summer. If you're looking for something like natural lipstick, this is the one because it's amazing. It's really give you what you're actually looking for. You're just looking for some natural lipstick for your lips. But anyway, I hope you guys like my review. It's kind of funny, but at the same time, it's really fun opening a new product, especially if you haven't tried the new product that you are reviewing. The design, the color, the size are so fun to do a review because you get that energy. It's because it's something different. But anyway, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe now because I do a lot of a review. And also happy summer for everyone in here, and thank you so much for supporting me, and bye. I'll see you guys again for my next video. Mwah!